How to withdraw funds from Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can withdraw your funds from Trust Wallet. So let's get into it. Now, Trust Wallet is a simple and easy to use platform that will enable you to manage your cryptocurrencies and buy them at the best price possible. One of the main reasons that I like to use Trust Wallet is because if I go on ahead and I want to purchase maybe Polygon and I want to purchase it. So if I click on buy Polygon over here, enter the amount that I want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase $60 worth of Polygon. It will actually show me 4 different exchange providers that are going to give me the different prices on the right side of my screen. So I have the prices for each individual provider or exchange, and I'm getting a Mercuro is giving me $63 and Binance is giving me $66. So they enable you to get a overall view of the different exchanges and providers for you to be able to make the best decision for you. So that is why it is so nice to use a wallet like Trust Wallet. Now, how do you transfer funds to another crypto wallet, or how do you transfer your funds to your bank account or any other platform using the wallet? So let's say you had some money in your wallet, but now you want to take it out. Now, how do you do that? Well, it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to select the token that you want to send money in. So let's say you want to send money via Ethereum. You're going to do that, and then you're going to click on send over here, and now you can either choose to enter the recipient's address, and then you're going to choose the amount of Ethereum you want to send. So you can paste the address, the actual address of the account or wallet, or you can go on ahead and enter the Ethereum amount. Now you can also choose to scan it from over here. So just like that, you can scan the QR code, and you can also take a photo of the QR code and open up that photo as well. And if you go into your actual account, you can actually see your own QR code to receive funds in your Trust Wallet as well. Now, that is just how you can send it to another wallet. So for that, you would actually need another crypto wallet. Now, let's say that you want to go on ahead and change your cryptocurrency or exchange your cryptocurrency from your wallet onto your bank account. Well, there is no way that you can do it directly, but you're going to do this indirectly. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to change your crypto token, whatever token you have, and then you're going to click on swap over here and then swap it to a fiat currency. What is a fiat currency? A fiat currency is something like BNB or BUSD or any kind of token like so. So let's say we take a look at Binance USD. So we're going to swap these, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select the other token. So let's say we want to do that. So you can go on ahead and enter whatever token you want to get your money in, and then swap it for that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go on ahead and swap. And instead of just swapping, what you can do is you can go on ahead and click on your account swap, and instead of doing a basic swap over here and just swapping, let's say Ethereum so instead of just directly swapping Ethereum for BUSD, you might not be able to get the best price, and this will send money as BUSD, and then you can put it in the exchange and then withdraw it to your bank from the Binance exchange. If you don't want to do that, then you can also go into the exchange platform over here to minimize your losses, and then you can select a pair. So we're going to select the ETH/BUSD pair, and then you can click on buy ETH, and then you can just swap Ethereum. You're going to actually enter it reverse, but you can click on sell over here. So you're going to click on sell, and then once you do that, you can change your 1 ETH into your USD. You're going to have your provider and network fee as well, and you can choose it from your main wallet, which is going to be your Trust Wallet, and then this will be sent to your Binance exchange account, and then you can withdraw it to your bank, and you can also get a better price. You can see it's giving you exchange spot prices. So these are the prices, the ones that you see on the right side of your screen are going to be the prices that are of the exchange. The red prices denominate that what are the prices that actual ETH is being sold at, and green are the different offers that people are selling, people are giving out. So you can get a better price for the token that you are looking to deposit or withdraw from your Trust Wallet account. But if you don't have time for that, you can simply click on swap, click on swap over here and swap it from Ethereum or any of the tokens that you are holding. Just select whatever token you are holding. Let's say we are holding Reef, and you're going to select Reef, and then you can just go on ahead and choose the second token. So let's say we want to get USD for Reef, and then you're going to click on swap and then just enter the amount of Reef that you have and then approve Reef and then swap. So over here you have your smart contract call, and then you can go on ahead and trade that into your actual exchange, and then from the exchange you can withdraw it onto your bank account or any other crypto wallet or token as well. But if you're going to move funds from one wallet to another, I would recommend that you do it directly via send over here, and then you can go on, like, select whatever token you want to send and then just add the other crypto wallet address or scan it and then just send it directly, because it's going to be a lot more efficient in that way instead of having to, download or, going on ahead on the exchange and then trading it from the exchange. This way is just going to be a lot more efficient for you to be able to just directly send from one wallet to another wallet rather than going for the exchange. But if you want it in your bank account or you want to withdraw it in the form of cash, you need to send it to your exchange, and then from the exchange you can actually go on ahead and send it back to your account. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to trade or withdraw your Trust Wallet funds onto your other accounts, wallets, or banks. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries regarding the Trust Wallet or any other cryptocurrency platform, make sure to ask us in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you guys out. And if you found this helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family as well so they can simplify their crypto journey as well. And check out our other videos on other crypto tokens, wallets, and exchanges, where I show you guys how to begin trading and what are the key differences between spot trading and future trading. So make sure that you are going to check out those videos as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So make sure to check out the other videos that I just talked about, and make sure to check out the videos that I have on crypto, financing, and other tokens, as well as other wallets. Now, Trust Wallet is an amazing wallet that gives you multiple different options in terms of purchasing crypto, but I do find that Trust Wallet is not that inseparable into your wallet exchanges or into other platforms. That is why it is not my number one pick in terms of phone. In terms of wallets, I would recommend, if you're going to have a wallet on your phone, you go on ahead with the wallet of the crypto exchange that you're using. So if you're using Binance, keep a wallet on Binance. If you're using Coinbase, keep the Coinbase wallet on your phone as well. But if you want the lowest prices and if you want to take a look at the overall platform availability of each token, let's say you want to buy a token and you want to see what provider, what exchange is going to give you the best price, then using a platform like Trust Wallet is going to be super helpful for you. So make sure to keep these factors in mind whenever you are using Trust Wallet, as well as the fact that there is no direct bank withdrawal on Trust Wallet. It's always going to be having to send it to your exchange and then withdrawal from exchanges. So that is another con of Trust Wallet that sometimes can be a bit of a hassle. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't worry, ask anything that was confusing or that you might want to know again in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.